Technology and Livelihood Education, Industrial Arts for Grade 8. Quarter 4 Week 2 Part 4. Our topic is Consumable Materials in Electricity and Electronics. Review of the previous lesson. Name the materials used in metal works. The following are the consumable materials in electricity. Electrical works refers to tasks involved in installing, maintaining, and repairing electrical systems and components. This includes wiring, lighting, outlets, circuit breakers, and other equipment that supply and control electricity in homes, buildings, and machines. Examples include installing switches, connecting wires, and setting up electrical panels. Electrician is a skilled worker who installs, maintains, and repairs electrical wiring, equipment, and systems to ensure electricity is used safely and properly in homes, buildings, and industries. Electrical wire. The following are the materials used in electronic works. Electronic consumable materials refer to various substances and components essential for the manufacturing, assembling, and maintaining of electronic devices. These include semiconductors, conductive materials, insulators, soldering materials, adhesives, and packaging components. Electronic technician is a skilled professional who installs, maintains, troubleshoots, and repairs electronic equipment and systems. They work with a wide range of devices, from household electronics to industrial machinery, using specialized tools and knowledge of electronic components and circuits. First is the semiconductor. It is a material that has electrical conductivity between that of a conductor, like copper, and an insulator, like rubber. Its ability to conduct electricity can be controlled, which makes it the foundation of most modern electronics, including diodes, transistors, and integrated circuits. Conductive materials. Conductive materials in electronics are materials that allow electric current to flow easily. They are essential for making wires, circuits, connectors, and electronic components. Insulators. Insulators are materials that do not allow electric current to flow easily. They are used in electronics and electrical systems to protect people, prevent short circuits, and separate conductive parts. Soldering wire. Soldering wire and a soldering iron are two essential tools used together in electronics to join metal components and wires by melting a filler metal, solder.
A time to remember. This is Dr. Maylene Huliganga. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.